Hi friends, today our topic is trigonometric ratios of compound angles, right? So let's go to the problem. If a plus b is equal to 45, a plus b is equal to 45 degrees, show that 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b is equal to 2. So this is very simple problem, but so many times asked in previous paper examinations and ESET also, 2 times asked in ESET also. Okay, right. Let's go to the problem. So first what he is given, a plus b is equal to 45 degrees. So apply tan on both sides. Tan of a plus b is equal to tan 45. So tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b is equal to 1. Tan a plus tan b is equal to 1 minus tan a into tan b, right? Cross multiplication. So tan a plus tan b plus tan a into tan b is equal to 1, right? So here in our problem what he is asking, 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b is equal to 2. Here we want one more, so add 1 on both sides. 1 plus tan a plus tan b plus tan a into tan b is equal to 1 plus 1. So 1 take it 1 as common, 1 plus tan a plus take it tan b as common, 1 plus tan a is equal to 2. So 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b is equal to 2. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. If it is useful to you, subscribe my channel. Thank you.